Good morning class. Again welcome in my YouTube class. Now today again we will discuss chapter 5 lines and angles. In the previous lecture we have discussed till the question number 4 and 5, 6 was as a homework. Today we will discuss about question number 7. Now the question number 7 is can two angles be supplementary if both angles are. आपको बताना है कि two angles are supplementary if both angles are. Three option is given. First one given two angles be supplementary. Two angles, okay, two angles is supplementary if first one is given both are acute angle. Both are first one is acute angle. Second is the obtuse angle, and third one is the right angle. Okay, let us start one by one. We know supplementary angles is when the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then we can say these are the supplementary, or we can say these are the supplement to each other. Okay, first one is the acute angle. We know acute angle which are lies between 0 to 90. It means the angle which are less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree is known as the acute angle. Suppose we take first, if we take two acute angle, suppose first one is the 81, 89 and second is the 87. Okay, if the sum of these angle is 180 degree, then we can say these are the supplementary angle. Otherwise it will be not a supplementary angle. Okay, if acute angle is 89 plus 87, 9, 7, 16, okay, 8, 61, 70. Okay, but after addition we will check the sum of these two angles is 176 degree, which is not equal to the 180 degree, because the angle is supplementary. We know the supplementary angle when the sum of two angles should be 180 degree. It means this is not correct answer. Second, for the obtuse angle, we know obtuse angle means the angle which are more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Suppose we take two obtuse angle. Suppose first one is the 91 and second one is the 92. Okay, both angles are more than the 90 degree, so we can say these are the obtuse angle. When we add 91 plus 92, it means 183. We will get 183, which is not equal to the 180. It means which is not equal to the supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means which angle the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Right? Now the next is and the last is of this option, right angle. We know a right angle means 90 degree. Oh, two 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. First one is the 90 degree and second one is the also 90 degree. When we add these two angles, 90 plus 90, we will get 180 degree. That is the supplementary angle. It means your option third is the right. Okay, the third option is the right. When we add two right angle, then we get a supplementary angle, means sum of these angle is 180 degree. Okay, so let us start next question. Question number 8. Okay, next question is question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Its complementary angle is greater than 45 degree, equal to the 45 degree or less than 45 degree. We have to find if an angle is greater than 45, then we have to find the what will be its complement angle. we know complementary angle means sum of angles is 90 degree. Sum of angles is sum of two angles. Okay. Question say if an angle is greater than 45 degree. Okay. Suppose we take first angle is 45 degree. Okay. So first angle is 46 degree. Start करते हैं. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Okay. Then the second angle will be if we know that if one angle is 46 degree, then second angle will be again complement angle. Complement angle we should subtract from 90 to 46. Okay. Then we will get 44 degree and 44 degree which is less than 45. If an angle is more than 45, then second angle will be less than 45. Okay. It is clear. In this option we will say that second angle will be less than 45. Again, its complement angle be less than 45 degree. Okay. Less than 45 degree. Second will be complement angle will less than 45 degree. It's okay. Now the next question is question number 9. Let us start. Question number 9 is here. In the question 9, a figure is given. AB and CD, they are intersect at point O, and O is another ray. These lines intersect in the different angle. First one is angle A, second, third, fourth and fifth. These angles are divided into 5 angles, and these lines are intersect each other at point O. O is known as the intersecting point. In the question say, first question say is angle A the adjacent angle of angle B? Angle 1 is the adjacent of angle 2, right? We know adjacent angle which are either the left side or the right side of that angle. Of it, the angle which are neither of the given angle. Angle 1 के बगल में angle 2 है, तो क्या angle 1 angle 2 का adjacent angle है? Yes. Second question is given, is angle AOC is adjacent of angle AOE. ये क्या है इसका? ये AOE, angle AOE. AOC is the adjacent of angle COE or AOD. It is not adjacent of angle AOE. ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? No. ये false हो जाएगा. ठीक? ये आपका false हो गया. Now the third question is given. Do COE and EOD form a linear pair? We know for the linear pair the sum of angles should be 180 degree. Question is given. COE, angle COE plus second is the EOD. Say here COE, this one plus EOD, because these angles are straight line. We know for a linear pair the sum of angles should be 180 degree and this line should be a straight line. We can say CD is a straight line and angle COE plus EOD form 180 degree. So this one is the right answer. Yes. Now the fourth question is here. The fourth part of this question is given. BOD and DOA are the supplement angle. Supplement angle means again the sum of these angles should be 180 degree. Okay. BOD. Next is the BOD plus next DOA. BOD. Please see the figure. BOD. This one angle 4. plus DOA. DOA is here. DOA is angle 5. Again see, angle 4 plus 5 is 180 degree because AB is a straight line. So it is a straight line, so it makes a supplement angle. It means the sum of these angles will be also 180 degree. Yes, it is also right. Okay, it is also the right option. Let us start option number 5. Option 5 say is angle 1 is the vertical angle of angle 4. We know when two straight lines are crossed to each other, then their vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to the angle 4 by vertical opposite angle. ये आपका fifth column में yes, it is the right answer. Right? The fifth portion is also correct option. Question number 6 is sixth portion is here. What is the vertical opposite angle of fifth? Vertical opposite angle of fifth. The fifth का vertical opposite क्या होगा? The vertical opposite angle of fifth is angle 2 plus of angle 3, or we can say COB. COB. This one is the vertical opposite angle. Okay? Because AB and CD intersect each other at point O, that this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is sum of these two angles. Angle 2 plus 3, or we can say 2 plus 3 is equal to COB. So angle 5 is equal to the COB or BOC. Okay? So it was the question number 9. If you have any doubt, you can ask me again later. Okay? Let us see question number 10. Okay? Let us start question number 10. Question number 10. Figure are here. These lines are going to intersect in the different angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? In this question, two questions are here. But find the vertical opposite angle and the linear pair. Okay? Let us solve. What is the vertical opposite angle? We know when two lines are intersect each other, then their vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 के just front पे angle 4 है. Angle 1 is equal to the angle 4. Okay? Angle 1 is equal to the angle 4. Right? And angle 5 is equal to the angle 5 के just सामने पोर्शन क्या है? Angle 3 plus of angle 2. Because these are the vertical opposite angle. 5th के just सामने intersect हो रहा है this line. तो हम बोल सकते हैं 5th के just सामने angle 2 plus 3. They are the vertical opposite angle. Don't say that 2 is equal to 5 or 3 is equal to 5. No, because this line and this line intersect, then this angle will be equal to the total angle. It means angle 3 plus 4. These are the vertical angle. If we add what is the angle 3 and what will be angle 2, when we add this angle, then it will be equal to the angle 5. Okay. Second, linear pair. What is the sum of the linear pair? Sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. The sum of a straight angle, it means the angle which make sum is equal to the 180 degree. We can say this is straight line. Angle 4 plus angle 5 which make 180 degree. Right? Angle 4 plus 5 is make a 180 degree to the linear pair because it is a straight line. Again, see here 1 plus 3, 1 plus 5, angle 1 plus angle 5. It is also make a 180 degree due to the linear pair. Only this angle, if we take this line, then this angle will be equal to the 180 degree. If we take this line, then 1 plus 5, this is equal to the sum of this angle is equal to the 180 degree. But we cannot say 2, 3, 4 because in the linear pair only two angles we take. The sum of only two angles will be 180 degree though, so we can say it is the linear pair. But when we take this straight line like this, 2 plus 3 plus 5, it is not a linear pair, it will be a straight line. We will discuss in later. Okay. So it is not a straight line, but the sum of these lines are formed of linear pair. It's okay. Now question number 11 is here. Question number 11. In question number 11, in the given figure, is angle 1 is the adjacent of angle 2? Question say is angle 1 and angle 2 are they the adjacent angle? No. We have already discussed for the adjacent angle, its it has a common vertex. उनके पास क्या होना चाहिए? It should be have a common vertex, but they have no any common vertex. Okay, can we say it is the adjacent angle? We can say no, because they have no common vertex. Okay, it is the angle. We know for the adjacent angle it should have a common vertex, and it should has a common arms. Okay, but they have no any common vertex, so we cannot say they are the adjacent angle. It means the angle 1, angle 2 are the not adjacent angle. Okay, let us start question number 12. In the question number 12, two lines are intersect each other and angle x, y, z and one is a 55 degree are given. Find the value of x, y and z. Okay, let us start. First we can solve. When two straight lines cross each other, then their vertical opposite angles are equal. So we can say the value of angle x is equal to 55 degree because vertical opposite angles. Their vertical opposite angles are equal. Okay, we know this line make a straight line. This line is straight line, so angle y plus z is equal to 180 degree because it is the linear pair. Due to the linear pair, because the sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. So we can say angle y plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Due to the linear pair. Okay. For 1 and y, here 55 is plus. When we transpose, it will be converted into the minus. 10 में से 5 जाएगा 5, 7 हो जाएगा 7 is 5 here 2 और ये 125. Angle y is 125 degree. Okay, 125 हो जाएगा. अभी देखते हैं angle y is equal to the angle z. Why? Due to the again vertical opposite angle. We can say angle y is equal to the angle of z. So the angle y is equal to the 125. So we can say angle z is also 125. This is the vertical opposite angles. Okay. So angle x is here 55, y is here, and z is here. It is a result in front of you. Next portion, second, you will try, and the remaining portion, fill in the blanks, you will also try because we have already discussed in our starting period, या फिर in our starting lecture. Okay, so that's all for today. We will try to solve our next problem in our next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.